Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, everybody. I'm right next to the drain because I've got chili. This thing, I don't know why I put it in milk, everyone, hoping that it would somewhat make it.
I don't think it's gonna work.
No, well, it's you got to put it in beer overnight. But chili's already got a hole in it, and it. I've got to say it reeks of chili, but it doesn't.
Does it reek of milk now?
Milky. Do you like to taste the milk?
I mean, who doesn't? Other than people who are lactose intolerant.
Is it Swizzy then? First bite. Not that bad. And here I'm in cold sweat because it is actually cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
It's a bit like a pepper. You did get chilies, right?
Yes. It says Chillies.
Chili juice. And milk juice. Okay, that came out wrong. Saying milk juice. Saying milk juice came out wrong.
Was it you that I called milk cow water? Yes.
What is actually that is technically true, but it's
I mean,
technically really it's a cow water. Third bite. Can I have a bit more chili? That's hotter. You've got a fat one as well, so. Fucked. I felt like having a drink of milk because I can't. Really.
Yeah, it gets rid of the capsaicin.
I just felt
It
like
dissolves
it's not
it.
that hot at the moment, but can you see the seeds are right there?
Yeah, that'll do something.
I'm shitting pellets later. But do you know yesterday when I messaged you like 12 o'clock said I've been weeing a lot tonight.
Yeah.
I generally did. I kept waking up. Tried to get to sleep at like 11. Woke up at half 11. Wait. Went to bed. Messaged you at 12. Alright, I think. Yeah. That's nice. Yep, there's the spice. Good job Lexi's not here because she'll be saying, can I have some?
Yeah, can I have some? I was like, well, I mean, she won't be
I'm
in
going to eat down today.
till Tuesday.
So I'm going to eat down today. Tuesday is next week.
Yeah, next Tuesday.
I thought you meant Tuesday, like, shit, it's Tuesday today. I'm going to eat down today because I don't eat stalk.
Well, I mean, who would eat the stalk? I mean,
Me.
yeah, I mean.
Say I've eaten all of it. There's still cow juice in there. You might have to put this on listing because it might go on a while.
Yeah, probably.
Right, fuck.
Does the milk actually help? But then again, you did dip the chili in the milk.
Wow. I like the taste of the chili.
Well,
Pardon me. Attractive sound, I know. All the seeds are to come up. I might break this open and show you. What can you see? All the seeds are in there. I might go and ask if I can wash my hands in hot water. Can you see the seeds?
yep.
All of that is going in my mouth. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Seeds not that spicy.
They'll be coming out soon.
And
They're rolling down.
do you want to do the one?
So
I'll
he.
record I'll record, don't worry.
Yeah.
I've got the camera phone.
Just drop my phone and shout.
Suffer. What's it taste like first of all? First bit. It's like,
Yeah, it's like at the beginning, it's like a bell pepper.
you're bolting that down a lot faster than I was.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know when you've had that? Do you know when you had a nice hot curry?
Mm-hmm.
You can tell who can film better on camera, can't you? Because here I am. I go halfway across the room, or halfway across the driveway, and here you focus on me. Joe, we thought as a joke, as I'm the skinny one, have a skinnier thing, then Charlotte's bigger. Hot.
Yeah, it's all hit my tongue at once.
Shit. Milk.
Mm-mm.
Sure. But sounds
Yeah,
good.
you drank from it too.
Yeah, true. Gee, I didn't think of that. Hot. Hot. You regretting doing this now? Sorry. Do you regret doing this? Yeah. Do you regret doing this yet?
What was that about to go in my mouth?
What?
What was that? All that is about to go in my mouth.
I laugh, but I know what that's like. It's hot. I'm really hiding the pain. You're not good at hiding the pain, are you?
Physical? No. Emotional? Maybe.
I think both of us are hiding mental pain. I think everyone's hiding mental pain, are they not? Go on, how much seed?
Yep.
You can put that in your mouth as well? Go on, stalk it as well. Go on, eat the stalk.
Just pretty done better than you.
Right there, go take the camera, I'll do the outro. Oh shit, careful. So, got some milk left, I'm going to drink this after the video. But that does it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Sorry for the bad. Nice colours for you, so I'm saying thanks for watching. Goodbye.